is the kind of approach that we need to follow. Establishing a chief pharmaceutical negotiator to combat foreign freeloading, and ensuring the best trade deals that achieve American success in dealing with these price discrepancies that are driven by terrible behavior from our counterparts in other parts of the global economy. Strengthening our consumer-oriented oversight through our cost comparison tools and price transparency measures and robust reporting requirements in the drug supply chain. Facilitating value-based arrangements where private and public sector payers can pay based on patient outcomes, driving better results for patients. And restructuring payments for drugs administered in the doctor's office or hospital outpatient department to encourage physicians to deliver cost-effective treatment options where appropriate clinically. My point is there are a lot of solutions that can work within the consistent free market and private sector solutions that we have solved here and are working on to make them better. We have an opportunity to lower prescription drug costs without threatening access to therapies or cures, or the future of handling of giving an advantage, frankly, to our global rivals like the Chinese. With a bipartisan and bicameral effort undertaken through regular order, we could make a major impact on these issues. This legislation, unfortunately, does no such thing. It is thoroughly unvetted, showing no signs of technical assistance or practical feasibility, has not, as I said, received a CBO score or even an informal analysis or a committee hearing. It did not advance through regular process in the Senate. Mr. Chairman, or Madam, or Mr. Chairman, Mr. President, I see that our time is running out, and so I will end my comments at this point, but just ask my colleagues to let us engage in regular order in the Finance Committee in the Senate and work these issues through. There are a lot of ideas on the table. Let's work them through rather than try to cram through one side's idea on the very day the bill was introduced in the Senate. I object.
I ask unanimous consent.
The objection is heard. The senator from Vermont.
For 2 minutes. I say to my friend from Idaho, we've been going through regular order dealing with prescription drugs for 40 years. Hasn't quite worked. Your bill has gone nowhere. My bill has gone nowhere. If you got objections to what Senator Klobuchar and I are doing, let's debate them on the floor of the Senate. We've heard all the talking points from you that the pharmaceutical industry wrote. I got that. They spend a lot of money writing these talking points. Let's have that debate right here. The bill that Senator Klobuchar and I are proposing is supported by over 80% of the American people, and I dare say a vast majority of the people of Idaho. If you want to oppose it, go for it. Let's have the damn debate right here on the floor. And if it takes 1 week, great. Takes 2 weeks, great. You will agree with me that this is an issue that the American people care about. So I would hope that you would reconsider. Let's bring the floor to the House, offer your amendments. Let's have the debate. Thank you, Mr. President.